Hello, thanks for tuning in to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you do. And if you have already, thank you so much. So today's wig, I wanted to add a little bit of spice to my life. So I went to my local beauty supply store and picked up a wig named Coco. This is what she looks like in the package. This is a stock card for Coco. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees and I have her in the color 2T/425. I went to my local beauty supply store to buy this wig. However, it is online. For example, at websites like Wig Types for $21.99, and I believe that's the common price on other websites as well. This is what Coco looks like, y'all, and I love this color. If you can tell, it goes from like a dark red to a lighter red, and it's like the perfect cherry red. I've always wanted this color hair. I just always been scared to dye my natural hair this color. So this is perfect. If you want this color hair, like, they did this color perfectly. I love it. And of course they have this wig also in a 2, a 1B, a 1, a gold one like she has on the stock card color. So they have a variety of colors if you want to try something new, okay? The waves feel pretty good. I'm not sure if I'm going to brush them out just yet, just so that I can, you know, have some longevity in this wig. Coco does come with lace in the front to cut off. I've already cut that off. And she also comes with 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back with adjustable straps, okay? This is what Coco looks like on, y'all, and I really, 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 really like it. Running my hands through it, it is kind of difficult, especially towards the end. I haven't worn this wig out, so that's a little alarming. I'm guessing in the near future it will, you know, still tangle, but Coco is giving me everything with this color. Coco fits very snug on my head. It's not, I don't have any bobby pins in, y'all, and it's literally not moving. Coco is not flying off my head today, okay? So Coco is pretty long. She is, I'd say, about 24 inches. This is all the way to my waist, y'all. So Coco is pretty long. I'm about 5'2", 5'3", maybe. So she's definitely waist length, okay? We can do a 360 to see what she looks like all around. So the parting space on this wig looks really good to me. It's about, I'd say like 4.5 to 5 inches long, which is perfect parting space. The things I'll say I love about Coco is, of course, the color, y'all. This color is everything. I love this color. I like the waves. I like the length. It's a great springtime, summertime wig. The only thing I will say, and this is making me a little nervous, is the tangling. Because it's happening just from me running my hands through it. And of course with synthetic wigs, you don't want to keep like constantly rubbing your hands through it. But still, I feel like it's a bit much for me to just now be wearing this and it's tangling already, you know? Aside from the tangling that I'm getting, I like her. Hey y'all, so I have worn Coco for a total of 5 days, and y'all, I'm not surprised, but I'm still disappointed. We knew from the beginning the tangling was the worst, and y'all, like, horrible tangling, okay? Tangling so bad that when it did tangle, I would just do one of these just so I wouldn't have to, like, put a brush through it, put my hands through it, y'all. Woo! Like, look at the tangling in the hair. Like, oof. Y'all. Unfortunately, Coco has to go in the trash. I have to rebuy her. You only want to wear Coco to a special event or once a week or something like that. She is not the wig that you wear every single day, all week to work. No, y'all. Okay, so unfortunately, RIP Coco, but I'm gonna buy her again because she's super cute. Tell me what you think about Coco in the comments, and I will see you in my next wig review. Bye!